You are going to love the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.